For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S25 Ultra, and this is One UI Beta 8.5 Beta 6, version 6. So this is the 6th version of the One UI 8.5, and I'm guessing it's probably not only the last, because the S26 just came out and will be available in another week and a half for the making of this video, but also unfortunately will be the last video probably I make with my S25 Ultra, as I've upgraded to the new S26 Ultra and will be arriving, they said, by March 11th. Little off topic there, but we'll do videos on that and I'll give you all the insight of the S26 when I have it. So looking forward to that. So on this one, this is just again a basic go get your update. It's gonna fix a lot of problems, it looks like. I don't see anything new, and it ends in ZZAO. So if your software doesn't end in ZZAO, it's not the most current. So you want to get that. So just read this real quick and go through it with you. Bugs that have been fixed. Fixed an issue with Bixby. Fixed an issue where 2 view previous image buttons appeared when using the sketch conversion feature. Fixed issues with the text icon and AOD visibility on navbar. Fixed a force close issue when changing the camera settings. Fixed an issue with the lock screen. Improved animation related to notification cards. Click more add, and when I click that, it basically takes me to a small page on, they're all bug fixes. So again, I don't think they added it or maybe subtracted, but they didn't add any new features to this version. It was more polishing on it, and it come in at 565 megs or a half a gig. So it wasn't real big, it wasn't real small either, so kind of not a whole lot there to be adding anything interesting or mind-boggling for an update. Not only that, but you got to remember the new S26 Ultra has the One UI 8.5, and that's not in beta. So this has got to be, they could send an update for this and take this out of beta any time now. They already have a phone that is running One UI 8.5, so I don't think it would take a whole lot of anything to take this out of beta finally. So it is the 6th version, 6 times that they've made a beta update for this. So pretty easy video. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.